Hey guys, today we will talk about step by step how to become social media manager and be a freelancer. Today we are going to talk about 10 steps how to become social media manager. If you are interested on this topic, you want to learn, I would advise you to take a notebook and a pen and write down. Like this your brain will process this information much better. So number one, I want to talk about what is social media manager. You can be social media manager, you can be social media marketer, and plus you can be content creator, and it's a different kind of subject. But today we'll talk only about social media management. It's the basic one. Just when you manage the social media, you don't create the content, you don't create the ads, you don't do marketing, only managing their social media. So what you have to do is learn about social media management. You can just by watching YouTube videos or reading books, I can say, yeah, you can learn about social media management. It's not that hard. It's very easy actually. Just have to know the steps and how does it work. Step number 2, you need to create your CV and portfolio. You have to write down all your skills. Even you haven't worked, you can write down what kind of skills do you have, what you know, what you learn. And plus, my personal advice is to create your own social media page where you can post all your works, your skills, like motivational videos, and it will help to improve your personal branding. Even just having that social media page, you might not need to go and search for the clients will come to you. So it's very helpful actually. In my experience, all my clients I got only through my social media. I didn't search for them at all. Creating CV and portfolio, it's very easy actually. You should use Canva. Canva is very helpful. You can use free version. It's very easy to create a CV or portfolio. You just type the CV for social media manager and portfolio for social media manager, and there you will get a lot of examples which you can take and just change the content. That's it. Step number 3. You need to choose your niche. Yes, in 2023, I think everyone is talking about the niche. You have to write down your niche, which area you are good. For example, you can maybe you know good about salons, you have some knowledge about salons, or you are good in restaurants, you are foodie, and you know some of information about the restaurants. So if you choose one niche and grow on that niche, it will be much helpful for you and easy to grow. You will be understanding the business, and it will be easy for you to grow someone's business when you know what's going on there and how it should look. Step number 4, use social media, for example Instagram, to find out if you choose for a restaurant niche, to find out in your area restaurants, to find the local restaurant pages. Choose like 10 pages, and next step, analyze them, see what is missing in their page, what you can do for them. Write down short strategy for their page, like what you can do, how we can improve their social media, how you can bring the clients for them. You can send them examples of pictures, what they should post on their social media. You can take the examples from Pinterest. You create like this short strategy, and you send specific to everyone. For example, 10 restaurants, you choose to 10 restaurants. The moment you create one strategy, it will be very easy for you to create the second, third one, because you just have to change like some of basic stuff, because most of the social media strategy 60-70% are same. You just might change some of topics only. Step number 6, send your short strategy, portfolio, CV, and pricing to the business pages you choose. If you have emails, you can send direct to emails. That will be much better. If they don't have email there, you can just send to their messages. And I would recommend you, for your first client, when you don't have experience, when your portfolio is very small, make a price very small price. You can tell them, first month I will work on this price, small price, and from next month we're going to increase the salary price 20% or 30% more. Then that will be much easy for you and attractive for your clients. Step number 7, The most important step in your freelancing job, it's to create a contract. The moment you get a client, first thing what you have to do is create a contract. Write down all you're going to do for their social media with the timings, with the off days, everything, every small thing you should write down until what time they can message you, when they can message you, how many times they can change the content you created. Everything you should write down clearly on your contract, send them to review and sign it. This will avoid misunderstanding and ensure that any additional work will get paid extra. Because believe me, in my experience, I had very bad experience. Even if the client is your friend, please have a contract clear, and you should always work I always work 50-50. 50% they pay when I'm starting work, and 50% after 2 weeks. That ensures my work. Since we are freelancer, we have to try to be more safe. Otherwise, there is so many people who's going to cheat you. I had a lot of experience on cheating. I got cheated. Initial time, I got cheated many times. I worked 2 months, 3 months, and I didn't get paid even. And like this is stories. There is a lot like this kind of stories. So I'm going to make videos separate on that topic, and just advise you to create a contract. Step number 8. Once you work at least with one client and you got some of experience, now you will be more confident about yourself. You can start looking for more options. When you are freelancer, you can have up to 3 to 4 clients in a month. You can work with them same time, and even you can have a more. You will need to find assistant who will help you. That's it's already like an agency becomes. So the moment you work with one client, create a nice portfolio out of that work, what all you did, stories, videos, text, everything, statistics, before and after. Never forget about that. Take a pictures of the before statistics and after your work, and post on your social media. Add that on your portfolio everywhere. That will help you. It will be much easier for you to close your clients. Step number 9. The most favorite apps for social media managers, it's Pinterest and Canva. If you are not that good in aesthetics, just daily keep looking in Pinterest and Canva. Keep getting inspired by this app. Pinterest has a lot of options, very nice. You just write down restaurant photo shoots, like restaurant aesthetic photos in Pinterest, and you will see a lot of nice pictures. By seeing that, you will get the knowledge what kind of content you should create for your client. And Canva, same thing. Just daily, at least spend 10 to 15 minutes every day. Keep getting inspired by Canva and Pinterest. And the final step number 10. Just keep going and learning, and don't be scared of making mistakes. Trust me, that's a normal. Every social media manager, freelancer, marketing, content creator, initial times, they did a lot of mistakes. The most important thing, don't give up and just keep going on that. Keep building your skills, increasing your experience, keep learning, watch a lot of videos, books. Books are very, there is so many books. You don't need to go even buy some social media courses. You just can read a lot of books that will give you a lot of knowledge, especially about the marketing. That's it, guys. This was 10 steps from me as a social media marketing and content creator with the experience and a freelancer. I hope it was very helpful for you and it was very easy to understand. Please write down in comments about what you want to see next video. Give me some ideas. I'm ready to give you all information what I have just for free.